To make the procedure of replacing a crisper drawer front in this KitchenAid refrigerator easier, fully uninstall the drawer by pulling it forward, then hold the side support brackets as you push the drawer back to fully detach. You can now pull the bottom of the old drawer front down and forward to remove. To install the new drawer front, align the squares at the top of the front with the tabs on the drawer, then snap the bottom of the front into place. Confirm the slide rails are pulled out, then insert the support bracket tabs into the slots in the side channels of the drawer and push the drawer back in.